What's up, y'all? As you can see, we're finally getting started on getting the engine, the 350 out of the Malibu. I've got the part of the air conditioner off. Fortunately, I was not able to film it. I'm filming with my phone, so there's no way to set it up so you can actually see it. I don't know if anybody wants to see it anyway. It's probably kind of boring, but I'll walk over here. Got a condenser and some lines off, as you can see. So this is about all I can take off at this point until I get it pulled in the shop. As you can see, it's full of stuff, so got to do some cleaning to get it in here. One thing I wanted to point out, if anybody's run the Holley Pan, this is a TCI flywheel. I don't think it would be different with any other flywheel. If you look, the pan comes up flush almost with the flex plate. I got the old stock pan sitting there. So one thing I want to point out, get over here. If you look, this torque converter bolt hole there, you're basically going to have to get it in line with this area right here. You'll have to pull the starter off to get a torque converter bolt in the thing. That's the only way I see that it's going to be able to get done, because look, there's like, really can't even fit your finger in between there, so there's no way to get a bolt in there between the flex plate and the oil pan. So just a little heads up tips there. Some of y'all probably need to know before you get in the car. I'm actually gonna stick the transmission onto the engine, put them in the car as a unit, and with the way it is, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and try to bolt the torque converter up while it's out of the car. I think that'll be the best thing to do at this point. Be the easiest, I think, anyways. So I'll catch you in the next part of this clip. Alright, next day, about to get the shop cleaned up, Malibu pulled in, get that 350 out of it, get this in there, but wanted to encourage everybody to subscribe, hit the bell notification, that way you know when new videos are posted. Comment down below, let me know what you think about the videos, where you think the car is going to run, and be sure to like the video. Just a little something to add to the video here. As you can see, the Malibu is barely in the shop here. Worked on it all day yesterday, or really more than half the day, because I spent over an hour cleaning this place out so I could get it in this far. But as you can see, all that pile of stuff over there. If you're building a shop, you want it deeper than 24 foot, because there's no way really to get an engine and transmission out of a car with just that much room, pulling it with the normal engine hoist. So just a little tip there. I'm crawling all over stuff here. Engine is about ready to pull out now. All front accessories are off, except for the water pump. Got under there, undid the exhaust, undid transmission mount, radiator, evaporator, all that's out. Very little to do and should be able to pull the engine out, but as you can see, due to the lack of room, I might have to have the back end of the car sitting out of the shop, front end in, put it up on jack stand so you can get up underneath it and all. And don't know if I'll get it in there today because I want to wash all this stuff up and sand it down, paint it. It's kind of rusty, got a lot of surface rust, so. So disassembly of the top side here, carburetor's off, distributor's out. Ben! Wait, you're not Ben. A little something to look at here. That thing is caked up with oil, so before we put it in this, it's definitely gonna have to, I'm gonna be tearing this thing down, probably doing a lot of cleaning. Hopefully I don't have to tear it all the way down a bare block. What do you think, diesel fuel?
It might.
Maybe. Who knows? That's that'll be on down the road anyways. Real quick here, engine's about ready to be pulled out. For those of you who don't know, this is hard to see, I guess. Mark your hood brackets with a Sharpie. That way you can put them back exactly where they was after you pull the hood off and put it back on after you get the new engine in. So this video ends up being strung out over 3 days now. Rainy here, so not anything getting done today. Probably gonna turn back cold again. After all, it is February. As you can see, we got the engine out yesterday. Got a lot of cleaning up to do. I did wash this down with the pressure washer yesterday, but it was pretty much dark when I was trying to do it. So, as you can see, there's some rusty surface rust on the frame. Some of this steering linkage, I guess you'd say, needs to be cleaned up a little bit better before I paint all this, but could have got the engine in, transmission in yesterday probably, but I wanted to paint all this before I did. I'm not quite like a lot of the junkyard LS swap guys. They would have just thrown it in here, but hey, to each their own. If that's what they want to do, that's fine, and I'm doing what I want to. So just a little look here. Here comes the rain again. Actually, I was able to kind of get this cleaned off a little bit from all the, so you can see all the crap on top of it. Go in here, take a look real quick. It's starting to rain. You see we got the engine out. Transmission was looking pretty bad, looks like. I don't know what cylinder head is on this. I kind of got excited yesterday. Didn't see any markings down on the bottom. I was like, oh man, this thing may have aftermarket heads on it, but then I found those on there. So as I said, the distributor shaft really gunked up, so I don't know what the inside of the engine's going to look like. It doesn't smoke, but who knows. I'll be pulling the intake off anyways. It's only got an Elder Brock Performer on it. That's not something I want to run. That's what the truck there already has on it anyways. So I guess this is kind of as far as I'm going to get for a little while anyways. Who knows what the weather's going to be like. I got to work this upcoming weekend. Might get back on it Monday though, possibly decent enough weather to do something. Sunday, I don't know. So, guess that's a good time to wrap up this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.